Hello and welcome to Nerve Shack. How's everybody today? Well, I'm just doing a little job here. I've come along. I've got all my mate's lawnmower all painted up now. It's all been done. If you notice the front wheels are missing, but I'll explain. It's all been painted underneath. There's a bit of grass there, I've been trying it. All painted black hammerite. Good paint that. Best stuff they ever invented. But anyway, had a clanking noise. So what I realised is the holes here where the axles go in are worn. So I've tapped them down with a hammer back to roundness the best I can. Both sides. That side wasn't bad at all. Now I've been working out how I'm going to stop the play, because there is a bit of play on it. So my idea is, if it works, not tried it yet, but I will give you an update once I've done the job. Well, it's not the day because I'm on my way out, but I'm going to try rubber grommets. I've cut a grommet and split a grommet, slid the axle in, and I'm going to do both sides, and hopefully it'll do as a shock absorber. It'll stop the vibration and it'll stop the clanking. But what I'll do is I will come back and show you once I've all completed. And yes, Top Conker, if you do look at this channel, this is the one. This is the one me and you's having the trouble with. See that? BMC axle. Pushes forward. Oops, no it doesn't because it's blocked, but it will not come back. Pull the lever, still not coming back. So this is my next one on the board. Right, I'll keep you informed. Thanks very much. Ta-ra now.